Hello friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we are going to solve one very interesting question from algebra. Here we have to evaluate x plus 1 over x. If given equation is x power 18 plus 1 over x power 18 equal to 5778, here x belongs to real numbers. So let's get started. I will consider our substitution straight away. Let us say x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6. Suppose this is equal to u. Now we are going to consider cubing both sides. So we will put power 3. Now we will be applying a plus b whole cube formula here. So we will write x power 6 whole cube. Using exponent law, we can write x power 18 plus 1 over x power 6 whole cube. Again we can write 1 over x power 18 plus 3 times x power 6 times 1 over x power 6 times x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 will be equal to u cube. Now we can cancel x power 6 with denominator x power 6, and here we can write equal to our substitution u. X power 18 plus 1 over x power 18, this is 5778. So we will write 5778 plus 3 times u equal to u cube, or we can write u cube minus 3u minus 5778 equal to 0. Now this is one cubic equation. We can use method of factorization. So I will split 5778. We can write cubic equation u cube minus 3u and minus 5778. We can write minus 5832 plus 54 equal to 0. As we know that 18 cube is 18 square times 18. 18 square is 324 times 18. If we will calculate, then we can get 5832. So this is 18 cube, 5832. So I can write our equation u cube minus 5832 minus 3u plus 54 equal to 0. Now in place of 5832, we will be writing 18 cube. So u cube minus 18 cube. Then we will take minus 3 common. So in the bracket we are going to write u minus 18 equal to 0. Now we are going to use a cube minus b cube formula here. So we can write u minus 18 in one bracket times u square plus 18 times u plus 18 square, which is 324, minus 3 times u minus 18 equal to 0. Now u minus 18 is overall common. We will write u minus 18 times, in the bracket, u square plus 18u plus 324 minus 3 equal to 0. Or we can write u minus 18 times u square plus 18u plus 324 minus 3, 321 equal to 0. Now we will use product zero rule. and we can write either u minus 18 equal to 0 or u square plus 18u plus 321 equal to 0. Now from first equation, if we will add 18 to both sides, we are going to get u equal to 18, which is real value. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. Now I will calculate only the discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4 times ac. Now b is coefficient of u, which is 18 square, minus 4 times 1 times 321. 18 square is 324 minus 4 times 321. This is 1284. So if we will calculate this difference, will come out minus 960. So our discriminant is coming out negative. We will say we are going to get complex values, complex solutions. So we can reject this quadratic equation for our calculation. So u equal to 18 is the accepted one. Now u was our substitution, x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6. So I will write here u equal to x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 equal to 18. Now we will consider another substitution. Let us say x square plus 1 over x square. Suppose this is equal to t. Again we are going to consider cubing both sides. We will apply a plus b whole cube formula once again. X square whole cube is x power 6. 1 over x square whole cube is 1 over x power 6 plus 3 times x square times 1 over x square times x square plus 1 over x square equal to t cube. Now x square and x square will be over from numerator and denominator, and here we can write this is our substitution t. X power 6 plus 1 over x power 6, this is 18. So I can write 18 plus 3t equal to t cube. Let's take all the terms to one side. So we will get t cube minus 3t minus 18 equal to 0. So t cube minus 3t minus 18 equal to 0. Again we can split minus 18. So we will be writing t cube minus 3t. In place of minus 18 we can write minus 27 plus 9 equal to 0. We will write t cube minus 27. 27 is 3 cube. Then we have minus 3t term. Then we will write 9 equal to 0. Again we can use a cube minus b cube identity here. And from these two terms we can take minus 3 common out. So we will get t minus 3 times t square plus 3t plus 3 square, which is 9. Minus 3 is common. In the bracket t minus 3 will be there equal to 0. Now we can take t minus 3 common out. So I can write t minus 3 times t square plus 3t plus 9 minus 3 equal to 0. Or we can write t minus 3 times t square plus 3t. 9 minus 3 is 6 equal to 0. So we have factorization t minus 3 times t square plus 3t plus 6. Now we can apply product 0 rule and write either t minus 3 equal to 0 or t square plus 3t plus 6 equal to 0. So from our first equation, t minus 3 equal to 0, we will easily find t will be equal to 3 by adding 3 to both sides. Now we will check discriminant once again. For this quadratic equation, b square minus 4ac. We will write 3 square minus 4 times 1 times 6. 3 square is 9 minus 24. We are going to get minus 15. So discriminant is negative. We are going to get complex. So we can reject this quadratic equation. So accepted t would be 3. Now t was x square plus 1 over x square equal to 3. Now we have to find out x plus 1 over x. So I will add 2 to both sides. Let us add 2 to LHS and to RHS. So from LHS we can write this is perfect square of x plus 1 over x. And right hand side is 5. Now we have to consider square root both sides. So we will get x plus 1 over x. Our answer would be plus minus square root of 5. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.